Hello students, so this is my last video of trigonometrical introduction of trigonometrical ratio or the INTs of chapter 8 class 10th. First question is standing by you. Sin theta is equal to a upon b. Prove that sec plus tan equal to this. So very simply way, when you want to solve this, sin theta is equal to a upon b, that is p by h, means perpendicular and hypotenuse are given. You can find the value of base by using Pythagoras theorem. So put it b square a square. So the b square is equal to b square minus a square. When we send square opposite side, that is square root. That is the value of base. We want the value of sec theta plus tan theta. So only put here sec h by b. So h is b and b is root b square minus a square. Tan is p by b. P is a, b square minus a square. Take the LCM. B square minus a square. Denominator is same, so there is no change in numerator. That is b plus a. Then you can open this. B plus a into root b plus a, because you know root x into root x is equal to x. So x is equal to this. So we have to use the opposite. 2 root multiply give the same things. And here a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. This whole in square root, so this is also in square root. This cancel out, so we get root b plus a upon b minus a, or you can use whole root b plus a upon b minus a. It is the RHS of sec plus tan equal to this. Okay, means we only say this, and question is sending from your sides. There is no new parts. Only the given part we have to use and solve as your wish. Some students say, sir, if you use identities here, yes, you can. Sin is given, you can find the value of cosec, then you can, cosec, sec by using the relations express. Sin, sec value in sin form, you can use and find the value of sec. Then again, tan value in sin form, find the value of tan, then add both them, you get this. But not always use the INTs. That your choice, which are simpler to solve the question, you can solve it. Means, if we see that in this question, this method is very easy, so we have to use this method. Okay? Pause video, note down. Approx similar question, but here we think sec is given, find value of sec plus tan. So we know that the relations between sec and tan is directly sec square minus tan square is equal to 1. So here we can use the identities and solve it, because this question identities is more easier than the Pythagoras theorem. So solve it. Sec theta is equal to x plus 1 upon 4x, then sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Put the value of sec theta, that is x plus 1 upon 4x whole square minus 1, that is tan square. So tan theta is equal to whole square root, and here a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 1 is same as. Here x cancel, so what you get? 1 by 2 means x square plus 1 by 4x whole square plus 1 by 2 minus 1. You can solve it only these two terms. What you get? 1 minus 2, and all things note down same as. What you get here? Minus 1 by 2, minus plus minus, so you get x square plus 1 by 4x whole square minus 1 by 2 tan theta. If you see this step and see this step, x square plus 1 upon 4x whole square is same here. This simplify, we get plus 1 upon 2, but here the minus 1 upon 2. Means I solved many questions in the previous video. When these types of problem you are getting whole square minus some things, this is plus whole square. So after solving these two steps, we get minus whole square. Means in this place you can write x minus 1 upon 4x whole square in square root form. That is tan theta, because a square plus b square minus 2ab. So tan theta is equal to x minus 1 upon 4x plus minus x minus 1 upon 4x plus minus. Then solve it. Sec theta plus tan theta. We want the value of this LHS. What is the value of sec theta? X plus 1 upon 4x plus minus tan theta x minus 1 upon 4x. X plus 1 upon 4x, when we take plus, no change, or x plus 1 upon 4x, when we take minus, so it's something change. Means you can say one times we have taken positive sign and the negative sign. Open both the bracket. We solve both the step with together. Here x cancel, here 1 upon 4x cancel. You get 2x, or this 1 upon 4x, 1 upon 4x, 2 upon 4x, you get 2x or 1 upon 2x. That is the value. If you solve by using the p by h by b, we have to get the same values. But here this is the simple solving method by using identities, because they are the relations directly. Sec square minus tan square is equal to 1. Pause the video and note down. Complementary angles of dynamical ratio. Not in syllabus of 2020 and 21 means in this year this is not in CBSE syllabus. It's removed from for this year. But the some students message me, sir, please explain at least the topic. Okay, what is this for my future knowledge? So I am only taking the 5 to 10 minutes to explain this for your future knowledge. Complementary angles in your 10th syllabus, very small things. The whole parts in class 11th. So I am only explaining. You have to know the sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, cosecant. That co-word is for the complementary. Means simply word at 90 degree angle, sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, and the cos 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta, because sine complementary of cos, so cos complementary of sine. That means you can say the value of sine 30 degree is equal to the value of cos 60 degree, because 30 and 60 are some make 90, they are complementary angle. So the value of sine 30 1 by 2, cos 60 1 by 2, they are equal because they are the complementary angles of each other. Same for tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, and the cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta, and the cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. The sixth formula used in your syllabus, that's types of the 30 formulas, that all the quadrant part 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, and the 360 degree. So we only explaining this 90 minus theta in first quadrant. There are also 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta, 360 minus theta, 360 plus theta. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 6 are 48 formulas. Is that no need to learning? The same logic used to here. This is class 11th part. Class 11th, you explain if you're taking mathematics. Okay, so no need to explain the here. This is also only for your knowledge. So how we change, which type of change? Means if anywhere there is written cos 90 minus theta minus sin theta. So you can write cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, and this is sin theta, cancel, you get 0. Simply, next question, sin 43 degree upon cos 47 degree. If you're taking the sum, 43 plus 47, that is 90, means they are complementary angles, so they cancel out. But the step is sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. So sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. So sin 43 is equal to cos 90 minus 43. Cos 90 minus 43. We are using identities, and this is same. When you solve it, that get 47 degree, 47 degree. Cancel out 1. Okay. So these types of small questions are solved by using the complementary angles. There have so many questions you can using this and solve it, but there is a basic knowledge for this question. So only explaining this topic, and also cut in your syllabus in this year. So pause the video and note down. Very common question on base of complementary angles. Many years this has come. Only for knowledge, your knowledge, we explain this. In triangle ABC, prove that sin A plus B by 2 is equal to cos C by 2. For triangle ABC, any triangle, it's not given that it's right triangle, any triangle. So for any triangles, when we're starting the solving, we get A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. We taking the LHS part, sin A plus B upon 2. So we want in terms of C, angle C. So find the value of here, A plus B is equal to 180 minus C, put here. So what you get here, 180 minus C by 2. In place of A plus B, 180 minus C, and 2 is same as. We can separate 180 by 2 minus C by 2. So what you get, sin 90 minus C by 2. And according to formula, sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, that is RHS. Okay, pause the video, note down. At the last, we revise all the identities, formulas, and the relations using in this chapter. So see carefully and remind the chapter.